cardboard.
Hold on. Go now. Go now.
This is the varnish cardboard. These are some seeds. For example, the red is the kidney bean, the tamarind seeds.
These are okra,
Those are okra seeds. Those are
pepper,
seeds.
Cantaloupe.
Those are cantaloupe seeds. And there is my rock, my glue, my leaves, my stones, my leaves, and my twig. I got it off the fence, so it was very long. Hello, this is my collage of living things. This is my blackboard. This is my cardboard with varnish on it. This is my rock. This is my sticks.
for the borders.
This is my borders. These are my seeds. This is kidney bean, pepper, cantaloupe, okra, black beans, pumpkin, split peas, tamarind, and corn. These are my dry leaves and also weeds. These are my flowers, my pebbles, and that's it. And my twig. And my twig.
Again.
Thank you. This is my collage of living things.